Very quick review on 5th unit of thermodynamics, entropy. First is inequality of Clausius. It provides the criteria of irreversibility of a cycle. It says cyclic integral of dq by t is less than or equal to 0. If cyclic integral of dq by t is equal to 0, then the cycle is reversible. If cyclic integral of dq by t is less than 0, cycle is irreversible. And if cyclic integral of dq by t greater than 0, then the cycle is not possible. Now, what is entropy? Cyclic integral of dq by t is equal to 0 suggests that dq by t is a point function or property of the system. This property is known as entropy. Okay, so for reversible process we can say entropy ds is equal to dq by t. For irreversible process, this ds is greater than dq by t. And total entropy change of universe is always greater than or equal to 0. Key points: entropy change in reversible process is a point function and exact differential. It is an extensive property. Reversible adiabatic process is an isentropic process, but reverse is not always true. When the system is at equilibrium, any conceivable change in entropy would be 0. Change in entropy of the system. Basically, entropy changes are because of the heat transfer and due to internal irreversibility. Total entropy change S2 minus S1 is equal to entropy transfer, which is dq by t, and entropy generation, which is because of internal irreversibility. The important point is that entropy generation is a path function. Twin equation of entropy: TdS is equal to du plus PdV and TdS is equal to dH minus VdP. Above equations are applicable for reversible and irreversible process and for open and closed system both. Entropy change for an ideal gas between state 1 and 2. S2 minus S1 is equal to Cp ln of V2 by V1 plus Cv ln of P2 by P1, or this can be written as Cv ln of T2 by T1 plus R ln of V2 by V1, or this can be written as Cp ln of T2 by T1 minus R ln of P2 by P1, where S is entropy, P is pressure, V is volume, T is temperature, and R is characteristic gas constant. Entropy change for a finite body: del S is equal to mc ln of T final by T initial, where C is a specific heat. Entropy change during phase change: del S is equal to m into L by